Hi class, in this video I will be showing you how to import the vendor list in Chapter 2. So I am on page 91 of the textbook and it has you to import the vendors list. So I have my student Beach Barker's QuickBooks company open and I've got another tab open. That's the Blackboard class. If you click on, just like we did in the last video, if you click on Chapter Data Files, this page will come up. So these are all the import files that you'll need for the course. So we're going to click on Beach Barker's vendor list, which is right here. And I've already done that. It just went down here to my download box. Here it is. Now I'm going to go back to QuickBooks. I'm going to click on the gear icon and I'm going to select under Tools, Import Data. All right, next you're going to click on the kind of data that we're importing. So you're going to click on Vendors, and then you're going to select the file that we just downloaded. So click Browse. And for mine, it's going to show up under my download folder. My computer's slow. Okay, the textbook again walks you through a different step. It has you download all those files and save them on the desktop in a folder. So if you did it that way, that's fine too. But I'm going to click on vendor list or double click and then click next. Okay, just scroll down, click next again, and then make sure before you click import, remember, change the date. So the year is going to be 2020, okay? December 31st, 2020, because when we get to chapter 3, all those transactions we're going to record in 2021. Okay, we're going to start the year for 2021. So we're going to copy that and just paste, or you can go down individually and change the year. Oops. Oops. Paste. Okay, and just go back through and make sure that they're all the same, December 31st, 2020. And once you've confirmed that, click import. And then you should see 17 out of 17 vendors that have been imported. All right, now you're going to edit these vendors. So if you go to expenses and click on vendors, on page 94, it tells you what information to edit. So starting with Beach Advertising, you're going to click the vendor name and then you're going to click Edit. Okay, they want you, because this is a company, there's technically no first name or no last name like an individual person, like a customer. So they want you to delete the first name and last name and just leave the company name there, and make sure that is checked, print on check as. You're going to use the display name, Beach Advertising, and then the terms they want you to change to net 30. So anytime we have an invoice that maybe we've purchased something on account and we owe that customer or we owe that vendor, we have 30 days to pay it. Remember, in 120, we're talking about accounts payable here, okay? Vendors that we owe vendors that we owe money to, or anyone that we owe money to outside of our company. These are payables, okay? So we're changing default terms to net 30. And save that information. And then you're going to go down and do the same thing for each vendor. Remember yesterday I clicked this button right here and all the vendors come up. So that way you don't have to go back through expenses, vendors. It just, it's easier. So next, Bow Wow, same thing. Take out first name, last name. Make sure that checkbox is green, net 30, and save. And then keep on going. Go down to each one, and then that will be how you edit each vendor. Okay? Hopefully this video helps. I'll post this one and make another one. I think the next import data file that we need to do is the chart of accounts.